everyone. Today I'm talking about one key principle from the Republic Act 6713, also known as the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Officials and Public Employees. The principle I chose is responsibility. For me, responsibility means owning your actions, fulfilling your duties, and making decisions that prioritize the public's welfare over personal convenience. It's about understanding that when you serve the government, you are accountable for the people, not just to your boss or your office. Why is it important? Why is it important for public officials? Responsibility is important because public officials handle resources, decisions, and services that affect entire communities. If they are irresponsible by being late, neglecting their work, or ignoring complaints, people suffer. But when officials act responsibly, government services become faster, fairer, and more trustworthy. It creates confidence that the system actually works for the people. Now, a real life example that I have for this is one that my grandma told me a couple months ago before I went to college. At our local barangay, there was this elderly woman. I'm assuming that it was her. Who needed help getting a barangay clearance. The employee assigned to the desk arrived late and was scrolling on their phone, while the line got even longer. People waited almost an hour before they were entertained. This is a clear violation of responsibility. Public service was delayed because the official didn't fulfill their duty properly. On the other hand, on the same barangay, there was also this staff member who always assists people even during busy hours. He explains the requirements clearly and tries to finish tasks before the day ends so no one is left hanging. That's what responsible public service looks like. If I were a public official, I would show this value by being punctual, doing my task, even without being reminded, and treating every request as important because people depend on me. I would also make sure that trust given to me is respected through consistent and accountable services. That's all. Kita kids. See you next time. Bye.